Welcome to the SolSuite Development Portal. The Development Portal is the foundation of SolSuite's Product Information Management, PIM, and Configure Price Quote CPQ software. Here you can define catalog and configured product families. That definition and data are stored in the PIM database for use in CPQ processing and sales portal e-commerce websites. This video introduces configurator processing. Configurators support building complex products that are created by selecting values from domains that define the features of the product. To illustrate, we'll jump to our sales portal demo platform. Vegetable head is an example configured product that should be familiar. A vegetable head is an assembly of 9 domains: body, eyes, hat, nose, and the others listed here. Each domain has several values. For example, the body can be a potato, a squash, or a red pepper. Configured products could be implemented with catalogs, but that would result in a very long list of items. In this example, there are 3 values for body, 7 for eyes, and the other domains have various options associated with them. Defining the number of unique items would be multiplying all of those values together, giving us 96,768 items in a catalog, which is a fairly large catalog. Configurators also have rules, because selections from one domain may limit values in another. For example, mouth has 4 options, but if we select a certain eye configuration, we can see that mouth has fewer options. Some are not available. Our configurator also has a deconstruct option. With deconstruct, if you know the part number, if you know the item you want to purchase, you can actually configure that by entering it directly on the screen. Now we're going to jump back to the development portal and show how this configurator is built. The development portal allows us to add new configurators and edit existing configurators. In the vegetable head example, we can see that in edit we can add and update and change any data element that appears on the screen. We can control processing, like the layout of the page. We can define how pricing is done. We can identify how cart processing is integrated. We can define what's on the specification page and some other attributes like how PIM is processed with this configurator. In the PIM example, we can add other fields because the PIM allows us to create other data attributes associated with the configurator. For example, a data sheet that might apply to the entire configurator family. We could also add items that apply to a specific domain value of one domain, or we can add items that only apply to one specific part number. The development portal also allows for translations. You can manually enter translations for any language that you choose, or we integrate with AI APIs that will auto-translate for you. So you can see the description has customized your vegetable with nothing in the other translation field. If we auto-translate, all of the items that are associated with this configurator will be translated, and you can see that now there's a German translation for the description. All of the items that define a configurator, like the domain values, and rules, are editable in the development portal. As mentioned in the sales portal example, certain eye selections limit the number of options that are available in mouth, and those rules are entered here. Most of the work that is done in the development portal, however, is done in the detail section. This supports multiple platforms that you'll use for testing. So there's development platforms, and then there's stage and production, and you will promote configurators to those as you approve them and complete work on them. This is where you would upload data associated with the configurator, like domain values or the PIM data, and it's where you test. So you can see that the vegetable head configurator is available here. This is the same exact process that would appear in the stage or production environments, in our case in the sales portal demo that we saw at the beginning of this video. All of the options are here, all of the drop downs are the same, and the resulting build is the same as well. Deconstruct works as it did in the sales portal as well, so it's the exact same code, the exact same implementation. Once we have a configured product, we can jump over to the specification page, and again, this is where items associated with the configurator are listed. For example, the data sheet that we uploaded as part of the PIM data we defined as being available for display in the specification component. So that's a high-level overview of our configurator process. For more information, please visit our website, www.vistech.com. VISTECH.com to request a demonstration. On there, you'll find links to our social media, and we have a number of videos, including this one, on our YouTube channel. We look forward to speaking with you directly. Once again, thank you for watching.